Ryan, I'm going to be calling you in a minute. Saying, help! I'm an idiot! Freaking idiot, bro! This is my dedicated welding remover. Gear remover, you know what I mean? Like when you get that one that you just can't get out. So you weld it right to your sprocket. Oh, of course that one works. Just kidding. Jesus. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but I'm doing it. I find myself saying that quite a bit. I'm gonna go do something even if it's wrong. You. Sweet! Man, I was worried. Not gonna lie. Because if I can't use this sprocket, I can't use this bike. Because of how narrow. I have some other 11 tubes actually. Man, actually. Ryan, is this a MZ Miami? Yeah, this chain is toast. That's got miles on it though. I'm talking serious miles. I'm not going to test it. But I do have 11 tubes. Where'd you go? Threads and everything. Yeah. You see my little buddies running around. We got David and Lucy. Yeah. Kids give some weird names, I know. You and you. feel like Ryan machined the trigger. Because the bearing doesn't sit. The bearing sits deeper in his case. Huh. Wow. A dude is a mad scientist. Remember I said that. Ryan, you. Mad scientist. The dude does stuff. It looks like it don't make a bit of sense. Stage 4 clutch. Need I say more? No. Alright, so we did the new bearings. You side. Beautiful. Look at how that sits. You hide there. I've got a bad bevel gear on here. This is what happens if you don't use gauge stuff. Yeah, you know what that is. Gabe gear? Shitty gear. What's his name again? The guy that said he hardened them, but he didn't? Or said that they were hardened, but they weren't, I guess I should say. Not Kelly. Fuck. Terrible with names. Sorry. I smoke a lot too. We might as well comment, hate on that. I love that. That's my favorite. I love hate. And anybody that's like a sub that looks at my shit, I did not deal with that very well. The e-bike comments, the video comments, those weren't my best days. But I was fucking frustrated. Can't I be? Please? Oh. Anybody that says these motors aren't amazing isn't my friend. Yeah. Shit. Man, I'm an idiot. The old cough pop. Come on, let's go. Thank you. Very, very bad. I'm gonna think of the dude's name though. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I've got 9 bad gears sitting up there right now. I know I've got at least 10 more. I just gotta come across that fucking shithole bucket that I threw it in. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Oh, I can't use this on this bike. Well, no. I guess I can't. Now can I? Way to fuck the day up, Ryan. Yeah, this thing is full of pad material from the ride I was talking about chasing a fucking yuppie guy on. I did that once before too. I lived in Orono, which is Maine's college town, University of Maine. That's where they're like, you know, big campuses in Orono. And some fucking young punk comes screaming up behind me in his BMW. Same thing, same exact thing. I got pissed off and just wanted to let him know that, you know, I'm not some fucking meth head on a little piece of shit motorized bike. So man, I plaster the gas, get right on him. And I always carry a rag in my hammer holster when I'm painting. When I was painting, clearly. Sucked it right into the sprocket, bound that shit up tight immediately. Busted my case where Mitch busted his, you know, the little ear where your clutch cover goes on. I mean, your sprocket cover. Oh, what an idiot. That was awesome. Humbling moments like that, I'm able to sit back now, and rather than get pissed off that I couldn't catch up to him and call him a name or something, like I can kind of just look at myself and be like, what a moron. Shut up. Idiot. What ails you? But, you know, it's all about being a better person than I was yesterday. And the same for tomorrow, and so on, you know. I'm a happy guy. I get worked up, sure. If you're going to say you don't, a little bit? No? Okay. Alright, so I guess I'll take this gear off from this motor. I have 3 sets of them. Where the fuck is that? Oh, you know what? That cartridge that I just took off, I think you will find has round holes. But whatever. Yes, of course, yep, okay. Damn, that had some Loctite in it. Sometimes I get worried. What can I say? What can I say? Oh, and here is Griffin. So, all right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Kids are home from school. This will be finished. I'll make a video tomorrow. I don't know how to pair them together or edit them yet. I'll figure it out though. Peace.